Hello students, welcome to ICT class, Information, Communication and Technology. Today we are going to learn chapter 6, that is about Google Picasa. How many of you have already worked with Picasa? Well, we will learn more about that in this session. Everyone likes to click the pictures, especially when you go for the trips, right? But sometimes when we saw that picture on the computer screen, it doesn't look that great. Again, we cannot go back to that place and click those pictures, right? So how we can make those pictures beautiful? Yes, we can do that using the Picasa. But before doing so, you need to know more about Picasa and how it works, right? So let's learn about Picasa. What is Google Picasa? Google Picasa is an application software from Google which allow us to manage and edit the pictures. Okay, it's an open source software and easy to use. We can download that from the internet. It also helps us to find, edit, upload and share your photos very quickly. I know that now you are very eager to learn more about this tool, right? Let us see what are the uses of Picasa. The first one is we can organize your photos in folders, albums and tags. When Picasa is started, it will scan your system and automatically organize your photos and movies files into a collection of folders. This Picasa, in Picasa we can include JPEG file, GIF file, TIFF file, PNG files, then BMP files, raw image files, etc. And when it comes to the movie files, we can include MPEG file, AVI file, then WMV video files, etc. But there is one disadvantage for this Picasa. If we delete a picture from the folder, it will get permanently deleted from the folder. Okay. You can use even now if you want, you can use the albums to arrange the photos in the Picasa. Now next one is you can edit your photos. Picasa has so many simplified photo editing tools to improve your photos, like basic fixes, then tuning and effects are there. In basic fix, you can crop the file, you can straighten the file, red eye removal, you can do it, then you can do the auto contrast options, etc. Now you might be thinking, what are all these things? Don't worry, I'll be explaining one by one practically after this introduction. Then next one is you can format the pictures and resize. Here you can arrange the pictures. If you want, you can add the text to the pictures. Even if you want to increase or decrease the size of this, that resize option also is available in this Picasa. Then you can transfer the photos from the digital camera to the computer. Most of the pictures will be taken from the digital camera or the smartphones, right? First, before editing, you need to transfer that to the computer. So there are some methods to do that. Now let us see how we can start the Picasa application once it is installed in the computer. Yes. To start the Picasa application, you need to click on the start button. Click on the start button. In that, here Picasa is there. In that you need to go to the all programs. You need to choose the all programs. Okay, I'm just clicking on that. Okay, it opens a list of the programs. All programs. When I click all programs, you can search for the Picasa 3 folder. Okay, here Picasa 3 folder. Just click on that. All programs, click on the Picasa 3 and from here you can open. Otherwise you can double click on the Picasa 3 icon on the desktop. Okay, hope you understood how to open the Picasa 3. The step 1 is you have to click on the start button, then you can choose all programs. Then click on Picasa 3 folder and click on Picasa 3. Otherwise, double click on Picasa 3 icon on the desktop. Now see, the Picasa 3 is opening. In this lesson, we will be learning Picasa 3. Okay. Before you edit in Picasa, you need to add the pictures to the application, right? Already when I installed the Picasa, it have already automatically added, almost all the pictures are automatically added to the folder, added to the Picasa. See here, those folders, everything you can see in the library view, and all the pictures you can see as a thumbnail. Okay. Picasa allow, now if you want to edit some picture individually, you need to add that picture to the Picasa. Let's see how we can add it. Okay. To add individual pictures from different folders, you can follow the steps which I am doing now. Okay. Go to the file menu. Click on the file menu. After that, you can click on add file to the Picasa. Then a dialog box will appear. So now you can locate the picture. Okay, here the will be there. You can locate the picture and then you can select the picture and they can open the picture. Okay, now the selected picture will add to the Picasa. But when you go for the trip and when you click the pictures, you will completely copying those pictures to your computer as a folder, right? So how to add a folder to Picasa before editing? To do that, you can click on the file menu again. Okay, in that you can find add folder to Picasa. Folder manage dialog box will appear. Okay, this one. Now locate the folder which you want to add. So now here I want to add a folder called Picasa class. I clicked on that folder and I then click and give OK. Now let us see whether it will be added to the Picasa or not. Now you can see all that folder is Picasa class along with 7 pictures is added to the folder. Isn't it interesting? Now you can do, right, you can add photos individually to edit, and even you can add the folders to the Picasa. Okay. Now let us move to the editing pictures. While viewing pictures of your trip or whatever picture you have clicked, you may realize that some of the pictures have some minor defects. To correct that defects in these pictures, Picasa provides various editing options. Now I am selecting one picture here. See, These are the editing. You can do the editing pictures. First one is commonly needed fixes. Then you can tune the picture. Uh, you can do the image processing. Many options are there. Let us see one by one. Sometimes first one is cropping the picture. See, here it is cropping, straight and red eye. So many options are there. Let's see one by one. You might notice that while viewing the pictures, many unwanted portions appear which you do not notice while clicking. In this case, what you can do? You can use the crop option, which is useful in removing these unwanted portions. Crop is nothing but an editing option which helps in removing some unwanted parts of the picture. Let us try in this picture. Okay, I selected a picture, then I am going to crop that picture. Now, here manually you can do, three options are there. You can either click any of that. Okay, now you can see a box like this, and here with the arrow you can according to your wish, you can. Now let me remove these two from this picture. Okay, for that you can just drag. Okay, you can, where is it? It is there in the commonly needed fix tab. Okay, so from this manual option you have taken one option. Then with this arrow you can move the cursor by dragging the mouse to select the portion of the picture you want to crop. Okay, now preview and see. Here preview option is there. Preview is nothing but it allow us to view the picture before the changes are applied and saved. So if really this is required for us, you can click on the apply option. Okay, you can click on this, I applied. So that part, the other part of the picture is deleted. After that you can save the picture. Okay, you can save the picture and the changes will be saved. Now again, if you don't want this crop image, then you can do the undo crop. It will come back to the original picture. Hope you understand what is cropping, children. Now the next option is straighten. What is straightening a picture? Suppose you try to click the pictures from the best, you always try to click the pictures from the best angles, right? However, sometimes the pictures do not turn out as per our expectation. One such problem is the tilted image. You can even fix that problem by using the straighten option in the Picasa. The straighten option is nothing but it helps changing the angle of a tilted picture and makes it appear straight. Okay, let us try on this picture. To do that, again this is commonly needed fixes tab. Okay, select the picture. I already selected the picture. You can right click. Okay, see, I selected right click. Then here we have the double click the picture. Okay, click on the straighten option. Okay, here you can able to see a slider. Can you see a slider here? You can move the slider towards the left of the picture. See how you want, you can move this and make the picture tilted. If it is a tilted picture, you can either move the slider towards the left and straighten the picture. Once it is done, you can apply to the picture and the changes will be made. Okay, hope you understand what is the straighten. And another editing tool is red eye flow. See, you can notice this picture. In this picture, the boy's eyes is red in color, right? Sometimes when you click the pictures in low light, it happens when you click the pictures in low light. While viewing them, you can notice a red eye circle appear around the eyes of this person. This is called as red eye flow. Red eye flow appears in a picture when the eyes of a person in a picture appear to be red due to the low light. This is one such picture. How to remove that? Here you have the red eye option. Click on that. Okay, after that you can it itself will take clear that the selected picture itself will remove the red eye from the picture. Now you can save the you can preview the picture and then you can apply it and save the picture with recently made changes. Very interesting, right? You all have to all the features which we have tried now, all of you please explore yourself, like how to add the picture to the computer, picture to the Picasa, then how to crop the picture, how to straighten the picture, and even the red eye flow also. Hope you all will do it. Can we go to the other tools? Shall we go to the other tools? Picasa allow us to add the text on the pictures and we can edit with different font styles, colors etc. Now can we try this in this picture? Click on the picture. Okay, here you can see the add or edit text on a photo. Click on that. Click on this text option. Okay, now edit text option will appear. You can change the font type here. Before that you need to write where you want. You can click it and write this. Okay, I have written Chota Beam here. Now I need to change the color. I am going to you can change the handwriting font here. You can change the color. You can make it alignment, make it bold. If you want, you can put underline. Then after that you can apply this to the picture. Now this text will be saved in this. Now let us see how we can change the lightning and color fixes. Picasa helps in adding light to the pictures. That means it allows to fill the light, highlights, shadows and color temperature. Now if we click the picture, when the picture appears dark and the central object is not clearly visible, this kind of problem occurs when a picture is not clicked in the correct light. Like if you click the picture in the early morning or late in the evening, the main object and the picture may not be clearly visible due to the lack of natural light. Picasa help us to fix that kind of problems in the picture. First, to add the light to the picture, first you need to select a picture from the folder. Then click on the selected picture. Now go to the finely tuned and lighting and color fixes. Here you have an option. You have many options like fill light, highlights, shadows, color temperature, neutral color picker, etc. To add the light to this picture, you can move this slider. See now when we move the slider left or right according to your requirement, you can fix the light. Now once you save the picture, the changes will be applied on the picture. Okay, next one is adjusting the shadows. The picture, when you click the picture in the during the afternoon, When more than enough sunlight fell on the object, some picture will be more light will be there in that picture, or excessive white light will be there. This can be fixed by adjusting the shadows of the picture. To do that, select a picture. See, I am selecting one picture from here. Okay. Now select the picture. Then what you have to do is click on the choose the shadows feature and just move this. See, now you can reduce the light of the excessive light is reduced, right? You can move the shadow slider towards right and left. Changes will appear on the picture. Now you can save the picture. Other features in Picasa is you can apply fun and basic picture effects. See here, that click here. Okay, see here you can sharpen your image. If you want, you can sharpen the image. Black and white effect. See here, if I click, the picture comes as a black and white picture, right? Choose the focal black and white effect from the fun and useful imaging processing tab. Then move the size according, you can resize this. Sorry, you can enhance the sharpness, enhance the picture using that. Then you can apply and save the picture. Now another effect is soft focus. I'll change this, undo black and white I did. Then now it came back to an original picture. Then you have the soft focus effect here, which helps to soften the focus around the center point. So if I click this, see, only the focus is going to that building, Taj Mahal, right? Then you can click on apply button and save the picture. Here you can even select the size and amount. Then you can apply to the picture. Well, hope you all understood how to do this. Even you have many other options. Everything you can try once. Okay. Now I click on the back to library option. We'll go back to the folder again. Now let us see how we can add the borders to the picture. What is border to the picture? Applying border to the picture. Okay, I am selecting a picture from this folder. The same picture I am selecting. Then here we have another option called even more fun and useful image processing. There you need to select the border feature. Comic book, neon, many options are there, but I am choosing this border option, and according to your requirement you can change the thickness. Okay, thickness. If you want to change the outer thickness, you can do that, or else inner thickness, that also you can do it. Then here corner radius. See all the changes according, when I move the slider you can see the changes, right? So like this you can able to apply the border to the picture. Next one, we can even give the pencil sketch option. In the pencil sketch option, that also we will get it in even more fun and useful image processing. Okay, click on the selected image, then click on the pencil sketch, move the sliders as required. See, you can radius, everything you can change. Okay, then now you can save. Once I click on the apply, it will be changed in the it will be saved in the Picasa library. Okay, it's really a very interesting tool, right? All of you will try doing all these whichever I have taught you now. Other than that, try all other options also. Now let us see how we can create a collage. To create a collage, you should add the folder to the Picasa. To add the folder, you can select the same folder I am selecting. Okay, now here you can see play full screen slideshow or create photo collage. This is for the movie. So click this create photo collage. I click that and it is added to the collage windows appear with the photos. Now you can choose the desired layout. There are in Picasa 6 collage layouts are there. Each layout represent different ways of picture presentation. All layouts are available in this setting tab. Okay. Now all the pictures you can see in the clip tray. Fine. I am going to the settings. Now I can select which one you want. Picture pile. First one is the picture pile. It looks, when I click that, see, it looks like a pile of scattered images, right? See here, all the pictures are scattered here and there. Okay, you can, this is called as the picture pile. Next one is mosaic. Mosaic is nothing but by default you have seen that, right? Mosaic is nothing but it automatically fit the pictures into the page. See, you can see that, right? Now here if you want you can change the grid spacing as well. Now next one is frame mosaic. Frame mosaic is with a prominent center picture. A center picture will be there. See, it will be like this. Then next one is the grid. Grid, I am selecting the grid now. It arranges the pictures into regular rows and columns. See, equally it is arranged. Right, here also you can use the grid. For that you can select the colors as well. Now it is green. Any other color you want you can change it. Okay. Now next one is contact sheet. Contact sheet is thumbnails with an informative header will be there, right? Picasa class, that folder name, when I have created that, how many images, everything is arranged, right? Then next one is multiple exposure. Here you can change the borders. You can give the options are there. You can plain white border, anything you can, according to your wish, you can select it. Now next one is multiple exposure or superimpose. It will superimpose your pictures over one another. See, all the pictures in that one picture is superimposed. That is multiple exposure. So tell me how many layouts are there, collage layouts are there? Yes, there are 6 collage layout. One is picture pile, then mosaic, frame mosaic, then grid, contact sheet, multiple exposure. Now if one picture you don't want to include, see here 2 chota beam picture is there. I don't want one picture. How you can remove? Yes, you can even remove the picture by using by following some procedure. What you have to do is right click the image which you do not want, then you will get a remove option and you can just remove it. Okay, or else you can just drag the picture and put it in the tray, clips tray. Okay, hope you understood, children. Okay, now if you want, hope you understood, children. It's really interesting. You can even align the pictures in the collage and even you can change the collage size as well. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, you can place the pictures in the desired location and with different angle size. So, I'm just moving this and see here you can see, now you can hold the, let me go back. I have selected the picture file. Okay, now this one you click on the like this. However you want, you can change the angle size of the picture. So you can see a circular angle which is surrounded in the picture. Move the mouse cursor over the arrowhead and then you can move towards the required angle. Okay. See here, if I okay, hope you understood this. Then to change the size of the picture, you can click the picture on the collage. Then as I already told you, just you can see, drag it like this. Move the mouse cursor over the arrowhead, then drag the mouse toward the left or right of the picture and decrease the size of the picture. Decrease or increase the size of the picture. Okay. Now next one is, you can Picasa allows you to change the collage size to get a printed copy. So this you can take the print out. Okay. So what size you want, you can give. Here in the settings tab, click on the setting tab, click on page format drop down. See, this is the page format drop down. A list of page format option appears on this. Okay, then you can choose the required size here, small print, large print, then standard screen, whichever you want you can select it. Either it's landscape or portrait one, that also you can select it. Then you can take the print out. Now to save the collage, you can click on the create collage button. This will be saved as a JPEG picture. Now once it is saved, it will appear on the collage library. Okay, now you can print the collage which you have created, and then click on the file menu, select the print option. See here, print option. Then you can verify the print option. Now the printer is not attached, so I cannot print it. Okay. Now you can preview the collage and then you can click on the print button. Hope you understood what Picasa is. Right children? See here, you have the print option and you can give the print. Okay. So that's all. Hope you all understand what Picasa is, and I want all of you to download this and you can explore all the features which I have explained today. Okay children, thank you all for attending the class.